Welcome back everyone. My name is KB Boat and Yacht Repair. On this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how to wet sand and polish up your gel coat repair and how to get rid of those deep sand marks inside your gel coat. So guys, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to go over step by step and show you guys what did I use to get rid of a scratch mark. As you can see, my repair started from here all the way to over there. So guys, we are about to do step by step. Before I start my wet sanding, I'm gonna need some Gelcoat. This is a lacquer spray Gelcoat. It's very good for your repairs. So I got a piece of rag. Any piece of rag would do. And I just spray some on the piece of rag and I wiped it on to the gel coat repairs, because if you spray it, it will get all over your boat and you definitely don't want that. So I just wipe it in and that would be the best thing to do all the way down. So I Gelcoat the whole thing so I don't miss any scratches when I'm wet sanding and polishing up. So that's the best thing to do. When I'm sanding down my gel coat repairs, I always use a sanding block. A sanding block helps me straighten out my repairs, and I am using 320. 320 help me knock the heavy stuff down first, and then I go back over the softer paper. Once I get rid of all these marks in here with my 320, then I go back over with some smoother grit sandpaper. The reason why you can see these marks is because it's showing your highs and lows. This is what it should look like when you're done sanding with your 320. You get rid of all the highs and all the lows. So his next step is to re-Gelcoat and wet sand it again. So after I'm done re-Gelcoating it, I'm going to use my DA to sand it back over. And the reason why I use my DA, because when you use your DA to sand the gel coat, it will get rid of all the sanding marks. My next grip of sandpaper that I'm using is some 800 to re-sand it back over. Once I use the DA to get rid of all the sanding mark from my blocking, then I will go back over with another smoother paper. As you can see, all the scratches right there, I'm trying to get rid of them. Once it looks like that, then I move on. After I'm done sanding with my 800, I re-Gelcoat it and re-sand it with 1,000 grit sandpaper. The reason why I use 1,000 grit sandpaper is because it's much softer sandpaper and it will get rid of all the 800 grit sand marks. And if you have any leftover 320 grit sand marks, it will get rid of that too. And when it's time to buff it up, the 1,000 buff a lot much more easier than the 800. After you're done sanding with your 320, your 800, and your 1,000 grit sandpaper, this is what you should have. Today compound that I'm using, it's a heavy cut compound. It will remove up to 1,000 grit sanding marks out of your repair. By you applying this compound to your repair and polish it up, it will remove it. Alright guys, this is what I have after I've done polish it up. It looks great, it shines. I'm gonna come back over with some wax. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if this video was helpful, hit the like button and share. Thank you. Have a good day.